This is Malini and you are watching Edification. A world without electricity. Can you imagine it? Our everyday technologies are powered by electricity. Food, water, transport, communication, everything needs electricity. Now, what is electricity? It's nothing but a flow of charge. Where does this charge come from? Without any doubt, from atoms. Everything in this universe is made up of atoms. An atom itself is made up of 3 tiny subatomic particles. The positively charged protons, neutral particles called neutrons, and negatively charged electrons. The protons and the neutrons make up the center of the atom called nucleus, and the electrons revolve around the nucleus in particular orbits called shells. The atomic structure of any stable atom has equal number of electrons and protons. So, the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. The number of electrons in each orbit is given by the relation 2n square, where n is the shell number. Example: copper is a very useful element in electrical engineering. Its atomic number is 29. This means that there are 29 protons in the nucleus and 29 electrons orbiting around the nucleus. So, the electrons will be filled as 2 in the first shell, 8 in the second, 18 in the third, and that adds up to 28 in total. The remaining 1 electron is in the fourth shell, which can actually hold 32 electrons. Because of this incompleteness, the atom is considered somewhat unstable. The electrons are held in their orbits due to the force of attraction between the positively charged nucleus and negatively charged electron. The force of attraction between the positive nucleus and the negative electrons is given by Coulomb's law of attraction. The relationship is given by F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 divided by R square, where F is the force of attraction in newtons, K is a constant which is equal to 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. Q1 and Q2 are the charges in coulombs and R is the distance between the two charges in meter. From the relation, it can be seen that the force of attraction is inversely proportional to the distance between the charges. That is, it is inversely proportional to R square. So, as the distance increases, the force of attraction decreases drastically. The electrons in the first shell are more tightly held to the nucleus than the electrons in the second shell or third shells. 29th electron, which is the only electron, that too in the fourth shell, is far away from the nucleus. So, the force of attraction is very less. The result is that the 29th electron is loosely bound to the atomic structure, and with a little bit of pressure from outside source, this electron will be encouraged to leave the parent atom. If this 29th electron gains sufficient energy from the surrounding medium to leave the parent atom, then this becomes a free electron. In 1 cubic inch of copper at room temperature, there are approximately 1.4 into 10 power 24 electrons. This enormously large quantity of free electrons is the reason why we call copper as a very good conductor. Other metals like silver, aluminium, gold, tungsten are all termed good conductors only for this reason, that is, the presence of free electrons. Voltage or current cannot exist without this free electron. To know about voltage, continue watching the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.